My name is Gerald Friesen. I'm an operations manager and project manager. There are many reasons to consider a modernization project, and it's important to understand those reasons at the very early stages so that you can plan ahead, you can think about all the different aspects of modernization. And so I have a few items that I think of when I consider modernization projects, and the first one that comes to mind is reliability. Everything in life starts new and ends up old. And so you think of your truck, when you pull it off the lot, everything's shiny and clean and solid and everything works. And eventually you're having transmission failures, engine failures, and the list goes on. And like trucks, our control systems in our plants are also the same way. Nothing lasts forever. So we have components within our system that fail. We have devices failing. And when those fail, they don't let you know when it's going to happen. And so now you have an unplanned outage. And those unplanned outages are very costly. No one's prepared for them. Depending on how long they take to fix, you've got a lot of revenue loss. So that reliability is definitely a key reason for doing a modernization project. Another one is supportability. Same thing with the age factor. People that worked on the systems when they were new 20 years ago, even 10 years ago, may not be around anymore. They have moved on to other things. Systems have also moved on to newer versions and new updates. And so to get support from vendors, a lot of the people that would have supported the old systems are either not with the company anymore, and they've retired, or they have completely moved on to new technology and they've forgotten the things that they used to know about these old systems. And even along supportability is also the platform that it's on. If we're on a Windows XP running an HMI system, that is no longer supported by the system owner, and then we have to deal with those kind of legacy issues. And so you lose vendor support, you lose training support, and you lose that technical support. Another reason for modernization is new technology. If you think of your own cell phone, we not only have our cell phone, we have the internet, we have access to taking pictures and sending them to tech support. There's all kinds of technology advancements that are with the new systems or with the upgrades. And so control systems are the same way. There was technology 20 years ago that sometimes is quite amazing what they were able to do. But when you look at today's technology and what's out there, the old systems cannot keep up with that. There is things like IoT, Internet of Things, virus software. Virus companies do not make new software for old systems. They are keeping up with the current systems. Even your dial-up modem, when you think of that kind of technology compared to fiber. And so when you have the new technology, that just opens the door for a lot of different possibilities with your control system. And then lastly, but not least, is the subject of obsolescence. And a lot of people don't like to hear that a vendor is having a product go to end of life, but it is a fact of life. And those ends, the end of life on systems is inevitable. Again, they can't make anything that lasts forever. There's many reasons for obsolescence. Could be down to the chip level, that a product is not being developed anymore, and so they can't even put that in their system if they wanted to. And so at some point in time, every system will have an end of life. It's very important to be aware of those. Go to your vendor, go to the website, make sure you understand how long your system will be supported and at what point will it get to that point where it's end of life. You want to be aware of that so that you can be ahead of the game and not be caught at a last minute trying to do a panicked modernization project.